Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start semiconductor manufacturing. First, clearly define your product and target market. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. Next, secure significant capital investment. Establishing a fabrication plant can easily require $100 million or more. Finally, develop a comprehensive business plan. This plan should detail everything from technology to market strategy, ensuring a clear roadmap for your venture. Once your plan is solid, focus on your facility. Choose a location with reliable power, water, and a skilled workforce. Then, design and construct a state-of-the-art cleanroom, essential for preventing contamination. This typically means ISO Class 1 to 7 standards. Finally, invest in highly specialized manufacturing equipment. Tools for lithography, etching, and deposition are critical for producing advanced semiconductor devices. With your facility ready, attention turns to materials and process. Source only the highest purity silicon wafers and other essential chemicals. The fabrication process itself involves many complex stages, from doping to metallization, each requiring extreme precision. Throughout this intricate process, establish robust quality control measures. Consistent monitoring ensures product reliability and minimizes costly defects, which is paramount in this industry. Finally, rigorous testing and packaging are essential before products reach the market. Each device must meet stringent performance and reliability standards. Simultaneously, ensure strict adherence to all environmental and safety regulations. Compliance is not optional. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously innovate and adapt to new technologies to maintain a competitive edge in this rapidly evolving industry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.